You won't believe how Smart Reserve Finance has evolved in 2026. Most people think digital finance apps are only for budgeting or tracking spending, but Smart Reserve goes further. It actively helps your money grow. The app allows users to set multiple financial goals, from emergency savings to debt repayment, and allocates funds automatically. It uses predictive analytics to determine how much to save weekly or monthly based on your cash flow. This isn't just convenient, it helps prevent overspending and ensures your financial priorities are met. Another key feature is spending insights. Smart Reserve analyzes your transactions and highlights patterns, showing where you can cut back without feeling deprived. For example, it may suggest adjusting dining out or subscription costs, then reallocating those funds to a higher priority goal. This feature alone can boost your savings significantly over time. Security is robust, with bank-level encryption and multi-factor authentication. Your funds remain in your accounts. The app doesn't hold your money directly. Support is accessible via chat or phone, so help is always available. Smart Reserve also provides helpful reminders about upcoming bills and recurring payments. This proactive approach reduces late fees and keeps your credit on track. Most people get this wrong. They underestimate how much automated planning and small adjustments can impact long-term financial health. Limitations: Smart Reserve doesn't offer investment accounts or traditional banking. It's purely focused on saving, budgeting, and tracking. But for anyone looking for smart, automated ways to manage money, it's an excellent option. So, is Smart Reserve Finance worth it in 2026? Definitely for anyone wanting to take control of their finances without spending hours managing spreadsheets. Subscribe for more practical reviews to help you grow and protect your money.